Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I thank you guys for watching. So today I have a new wig. It's from Nadula hair. So this is going to be a pretty short video, but I want to make sure y'all get the wig, okay? So, this is the wig. And I'm going to show y'all. So y'all already know it's a headband wig. It also comes with some wig caps, but I don't need those, so. But these are the headbands. And I've already wore the wig, so, you know, I've got like the gist of the wig. And okay, I'm going to show y'all how I install it. Have my wig cap on and my braids in. So this is the wig. I believe it's 16 inches or 12, I mean not 12 inches, 14 inches. I'm not quite sure, but it will be in the description down below. Everything about this wig will be in the description down below. So, take it. Let me show y'all the inside wig. Have a comb right here and a comb right here. You can tell that this is the back of the wig because the adjustable straps right here. So the wig is really, really easy to put on. Slide it on. Boom, it's on. And then make sure my comb in the front is on correctly. I'm going to pin that back just so I can see. I got some water. Don't mind the thing that's in it. It's water in here. Okay. So I'm gonna put this. Actually, I'm gonna put this one on this blue one. This is the pattern. It's just a pattern. Nothing too special. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs, which I really don't do my baby hairs a lot, but I'll do them right now. Okay, so I kind of do my baby hairs. They're not something that's so important to me. Because honestly, when I would just wear this wig out, I probably wouldn't do my baby hairs. But the wig, the hair is so soft, y'all. Like, the hair is really, really soft. I love how, like, voluminous it is. And, like, I did wear this on a windy day. Like, it was pretty windy this fall. And it did not move. She didn't go anywhere. But, yeah, I really do love this wig. It is really cute. Like, it's so easy to put on. Like, it's just one of the wigs. I gotta go, pop it on, and you can go. Like, it don't even matter how really your hair is underneath because it's so big. So, say it's not even like the neatest cornrows or whatever, or the neatest twist. You're not even gonna be able to tell because the hair is big and it has body. And like I said earlier, everything about this wig will be in the description down below. So if you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below. You know, and also look in the description. I know they have other styles. I know they have like a body wave one, and this one of course comes longer if you do want a longer one. But yeah, I really do like this wig, and I'm pretty sure if I wanted to, I could probably like do like this or something. I was get her hair out, but like do like half up, half down or something like that. But this is like how it looks like if you lay it like that. Nobody should see the top of your head, so. But yeah, she's cute. I love it. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It's pretty short, like I said, but the wig is boom, pow, bow, done. So, yeah. I'm gonna spray some water on it so I can see what it looks like wet. But like it takes a little minute for it to get like wet, but like this is how long it is. But that's like a little damp. I might put a clip in of me like having it like wet. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below, and I'll answer them. And yeah, bye guys.
Soulja Boy, tell me.